Field test. Field dry density of compacted subgrade layer. Equipment: sand pouring cylinder, tools for excavation, metal tray, clean natural sand passing 1 mm sieve and retained on 600 micron sieve, and other accessories. This test is to determine the field dry density of natural or compacted fine and coarse-grained soils by sand replacement method. Lay the tray firmly on the surface of the soil to be tested. Excavate the depth of the soil to a maximum of 250 mm. Note the weight of the soil. Fill the pouring cylinder with clean natural sand to the prescribed weight. Place it centrally. Open the shutter and allow the sand to run. Close the shutter once the sand movement stops. Now, note the weight of the cylinder. Determination of water content of soil by rapid moisture meter. This test is conducted only on subgrade layers. Clean the rapid moisture meter properly. Take 6 grams of soil sample. Place 3 small and 1 big ball along with the sample in the rapid moisture meter. Add 1 scoop of calcium carbide. Shake the moisture meter as shown. Hold for 20 seconds. Repeat the process until the gauge reading becomes constant. The readings on the gauge indicate the water content. Weight of sand is equal to total weight of sand before pouring minus the weight of sand after pouring. Weight of sand in hole and cone is equal to weight of sand in cylinder before pouring minus weight of sand after pouring. Weight of sand in hole is equal to weight of sand in hole and cone minus weight of sand in cone portion determined while calibration. Volume of hole is equal to weight of sand in hole divided by bulk density of sand determined while calibration. Field wet density of compacted soil is equal to weight of soil in the hole divided by volume of hole. Field dry density of compacted soil is equal to 100 into wet density divided by 100 plus water content in the soil from the hole. Moisture content at field should be plus 1% or minus 2% of the OMC determined at the time of Proctor tests.